Don't pull her off.
What are you doing? You're trying to kill Heather. Punch her. Kick her. Kick her.
Oh no!
Come here.
Where? Up here. I got a shoe up my ass right now.
Apple shoe. Knee head. Knee head. Heather, defend yourself. Dang.
No, don't hit me. Like that?
You break your wrist. I know.
Son. You know that jacket is tight. I don't know the rest.
Is there more? I kind of did
it was
anticlimactically. Cat fight. Get her. Pull her hair. Pull her hair. Pull her hair.
I pretend to put your like.
Pull her hair. Oh. Ouch, that had to hurt.
I pretend to actually pull your hair.
I don't see a winner yet.
Right.
Who gives up?
Do the sorry thing.
Okay.
All right. Jamie, count to 3.
I'll do it. Heather.
Sorry.
She was by.